Hey everyone, welcome to Michael's Market Monday. Here in Tacoma, we're looking at the markets. We talked for the beginning of October, kind of the forecast was that we may be going down some on the ferrous side. And, so we predicted that, the information was coming out at down anywhere between $40 and $10. We saw some drops at 30, not any really 40, but we did see some $30 drops from some buyers, some dock buyers. We saw 10 as being the most, the mill, and so we saw some $10 drops. And I think it's trending more towards sideways now with some better numbers coming out. Some bulk cargoes going off at sideways to slightly up money, and that's a good thing. Freight was really high to some of the Bangladesh sales, at $62 for freight. That's a lot. So that impacted what the FOB prices were. But we're seeing some cargoes going off into Asia now that are up money, and with freight being reduced way off that 62 number. So pretty good story to tell there. Unlikely that we'll see more drops. Don't think we're really seeing much of an uptick in the market, but certainly crawling back some of those numbers, especially for the people that took 30. So crawling that back on the ferrous side, like I said, containers have gone up slightly, so those are starting to move, but containerized freight to some destinations is very high right now. So it's really cost prohibitive in the Pacific Northwest to be shipping in cans. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that. The story really is flow, and it's really a supply-driven market on East Coast, West Coast, and even domestic mills right now. There's just not a lot of supply. So we're seeing most of the yards in the Pacific Northwest are reporting 20% down. Some of the yards in California are saying that they're just as busy, no drop off at all. I think it's really going to be going into the winter a supply-driven market, so we'll keep an eye on that. In terms of non-ferrous, range-bound for the most part, we did see copper go up in the last couple weeks, 20 cents, and a little bit of a run there by percentage, not much. The nickel-bearing products, stainless steel 304 domestically, just not a great market for that. That's still a better market overseas. So non-ferrous products, aluminum up a little bit, but again, just the appetite not great domestically here. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll report to you guys next week. So thanks everyone. We'll talk to you soon.